Welcome back to another classic unboxing. This week, I bought a present for her, sort of. She's gonna get more use out of it than I will.
For her, who am I? This is who I am.
What we have today is an adapter for Canon EF to E mount lenses that's also a focal reducer, or a speed booster as some people refer to. Even though it's not, because it's kind of like an iPod. Not all iPods are, not all music players are iPods, but...
Oh, I see.
Yeah, speed booster's
Like
a name.
Yeah.
So...
Like not all tissues are Kleenex.
Yes.
But everyone says, can I have a Kleenex?
It's just that Metabones invented the name Speed Booster, and everyone calls focal reducers Speed Boosters now.
Got it.
We actually own a Speed Booster. Not really. We own a Metabones, the regular non-Speed Booster, and we've been using it in the A7R2 and A7S2 for a long time, more than a year. I'm perfectly content with it. I mean, it's not as good as using native lenses, but it gets the job done if you have a lot of Canon glass like we did. It is a good investment in my opinion. 2 years ago when I got it, I tested out the Sigma adapter and the Keepon, I think. I don't remember. I didn't make a video. I was done back then. But now we have a adapter from Vello. Excuse you. But now we got the adapter from Vello. It was on sale from B&H. It was only $100. Compared to the regular Metabones adapter that's $500, this is a steal. And this Metabones Speed Boot adapter...
It's made out of steel?
And the Metabones Speed Boot adapter for... Oh, it has the case, like the Metabones. The Metabones Speed Boost adapter for EF to E mount is $699. This was $100. If you don't know what the point of a... What? If you don't know what the point of a speed booster is, I'm actually planning to make a video on it. Probably not up yet, but if you're watching this in the future, check the eye here, right? Here, maybe? It's in this area? Yes. Am I always wrong? The point of it is to reduce the focal length of lenses, of full-frame lenses, to APS-C in this case. They also have focal reducers for micro four thirds that will reduce from APS-C to micro four thirds, or...
Micro four thirds?
Yes, micro four thirds.
Micro four thirds.
Okay, so back to this one. So this is perfect for any APS-C camera. At least it promises to. We're gonna see if it's any good. But it's also good for the A7R2 and A7R3. And you might be thinking, why? If I slap this onto the A7R2 and put a full frame lens on it, you'll get like a cropped image. It'll look as if you put an APS-C
sensor?
lens.
Adapter?
If you put an APS-C lens on it. And you're thinking, well, that's terrible. Why would I want that? But you have to remember the R2 and the R3 have much better video in Super 35 mode. So this could be a great investment if you are doing a lot of video on the R2. And it's definitely good if you have an APS-C camera. Again,
what camera?
APS-C camera.
APS-C, what is that?
It's just the name for the crop sensor. So we're gonna find out if it's any good. Focusing might be terrible. The cheap ones usually are, but let's get to it. So the point of you recording this is to have, is to have a comparison. Oh my God.
It will focus on you.
Yeah, that's the thing. Metabones does provide, the Metabones 4 and the 5 provide video autofocus, but it's not good. That's not a good selling point, in my opinion.
It's having a very hard time.
Yeah,
focusing.
It has a hard time focusing. It's not accurate. It's not good for video. But let's see if this even has autofocus for video with Canon lenses. So if you guys don't remember, Nadia made a video about how this is her favorite lens ever.
Go click the eye or something.
And with this adapter, now she can use the lens as if it was a full frame camera. All right, so it's hunting for focus. It is pretty dark where you guys are though. And where's movie mode? All right, totally misfocused, and misfocused, and misfocused. This is going great. Well, it's choosing to focus on the background.
So it sucks.
Well, okay, wait. It focused the first time fine. Focus on the camera. There we go. And our shutter speed's too low. So we have complete. This is definitely wrong.
What do you mean?
I was about to mention how it transfers control from the aperture and focus, but this is reading as if this was a 1.3 lens, and it's definitely a 1.8. I'm trying to take a picture of the camera, but it won't focus. There we go. All right, so you guys can see how dark it is. This is a 1/60th wide open 1.8, even though it says 1.3, ISO 500, and I was having a hard time focusing, but it looks good. It's with a properly lit subject, it's not having that much of a hard time. It's not having as hard a time. That is pretty good.
Yeah.
Now, one of the reasons you would want to spend a lot of money on a focal reducer is you are adding glass to the adapter. It's not just hollow. So this does change the sharpness of the lens. And in the case of the meta bones, that's really high quality and really expensive. A lot of people say that if you are putting a good lens on it, it makes it sharper because it makes the aberrations of the lens less noticeable, just like if you were using a full frame camera. But if the glass is bad, then you're not gonna get all those benefits. What you would get is all that background blur.
That yummy, yummy background blur. I love it.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is take a couple of test shots and we'll put them right here. We'll put some video with the R2 in Super 35 mode with this thing on, and I'll let you guys compare. I'm not gonna tell you if it's, I'm not gonna pixel peep myself, but
Pixel Pete?
peep,
Peep?
pixel peep.
What does that mean?
It's a term by nerds of when they like compare lenses and they're like, well, this one has a little bit softer edge. It's unusable. It's garbage. Even if it's fine for most people.
Alright, let's take some shots. Whoa, look at that. Focus on the far eye, but whatever. Same here, but still quite good. But how's this speed? And it missed. Focus on the back of the hair, actually. Ooh, right on target. Quick, but missed. Come on, Vello, are you even trying? And back of the hair again. This is what it looks like on a full frame A7R II. Center sharpness is great, as expected. Surprisingly, it continues all the way to the bottom edge. Corner though, we can see where the adapter loses it. But who cares, inside the APS-C crop it looks good. Better actually than the lens natively. But alright, enough, I said I wouldn't peep. Let's have some fun. Yes, 85mm on the A6000, looking very nice wide open. 50mm f4, look at that center sharpness. Damn it, I'm doing it again. Alright, that's enough for today.
Wow, look at those test results! I have no idea what they look like, I haven't done them yet. In any case, I do plan to make a full review on this once we get to use it a lot more. You'll use it a lot too, and you'll give me your thoughts on it.
Okay.
But yeah, it was $100. If it ever goes on sale, like if we like it and it ever goes on sale again, I'll probably link it in our Facebook page. So be sure to check us out on Facebook, facebook.com/Neverland Productions LA. Yes, that.
It's in the description.
Or check the description. Yep. But that's it. This was kind of short. Hopefully you guys found it useful. If you guys like this type of content, I'm down to test more of these adapters, cheap ones. There's one by Billtronics. No. That one's $170. And I've heard bad things about it, but I also don't know any reviews. So if this is something you guys like, I'm down to test it, compare it, all of that.
So like this video if you liked it, and make sure to subscribe for more of this stuff and other stuff. Look forward to weekly news updates and stuff like that on camera and that kind of news.
Right? Yeah. I hope we're still doing that. I don't know when this is going up. This is like, we're in January.
Yeah.
This is probably like a couple months now.
Really?
Yeah, probably.
Aw.
No, it's probably like mid-February now.
Okay.
Time travel!
Happy Valentine's Day. Okay, bye guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.